My name is Adrian and I'm from Musico Mobile Audio. I drive a family van, a 2016 Alphard. I love that van. It's fast. It's really nice. With the Alphard, it's a little bit different. It's a powerful vehicle. The only thing I'm not happy with it, the handling per se. It's a little bouncy, a lot of body roll. That's the only thing actually I want improved in this vehicle. And that's why I decided to upgrade the suspension. It'll be nice to tune the handling of the vehicle, considering the load and usability in everyday conditions. That's why I went for this KW V3 leveling for my Alphard. The first thing I type when I search for suspension for an Alphard, a coilover, KW comes up. No bad reviews. Everybody has something good to say about it. KW actually makes a suspension that you don't necessarily have to lower the vehicle to have good handling, sacrifice comfort. As I said, this is a family van. This is not a sports car. It drives like one. It doesn't handle like one. So when KW came out with the leveling version, I said, this is for me. You know, you could get springs, you can get shocks, but I wanted something with more control. With KW, you can control both the dampening and both the compression. So, get better control of the vehicle. That bounciness that I was talking about, technically almost gone. Handling is a lot better. I feel more planted onto the ground. Comfort is still there, and I look forward to adjusting it a bit more. KW offers a 2-year warranty. You know you're in good hands. This is a very good investment. If you own an Alphard, you know you have a 3.5 V6 engine. This thing is more controllable now.